How to make a butterfly feeder. All you need to make this is one small plastic plate, a 3D printed flower or a plastic bottle cap, some bright flower stickers, some string, glue dots, scissors, and some tape. Use the glue dots to attach the flower cup to your plastic plate. Make sure to press down on the flower cup so it's nice and secure on the plate. Then add some bright flower stickers that will attract those butterflies to your plate. Grab your scissors and cut 4 pieces of string that are about 6 inches long. Then flip over your plate and attach each piece of string to the corner of your plate. Flip your plate back over and grab each end of your string and hold them up nice and tall. Try to get all the pieces of string nice and even, and when you do that, have a grown-up help you tie a knot in your strings so your plate will hang evenly. Now you are ready to feed those butterflies.